Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Okay, back on the video. I'm teaching you guys how to make icons like Trap Nation, all with PixArt. This is all about to be a little different, but really quickly, I gotta check my notifications, so check that out. Okay, I got another follower. Thanks for the follow. Oops. Alright, anyways. Now, add, edit. And basically, you can pick your own background, but we're gonna do this. Just all black. Actually, no. Sorry, wrong thing. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do the, this stuff's getting on my nerves. I'm gonna do the, skip. I can't even talk. Galaxy background. Anyways, so, from there, we are going to shit crop, and I pick what I want. I think I'm gonna do this because it's like dark and light. Anyways, save. And I'm gonna do add photo. Also, all this stuff, the background, the dots, the city. I got this off of Google. So what you do, you search for the city PNG. That's pretty much all you do. All right, check tools. Check crop. Why not? Sometimes it might act up and be blurry. Hopefully it doesn't do that. But sometimes it might do that, and then we get the dots. Dot, dot, dot. Sorry, my brother watches Disney Junior a lot. I mean, not Disney Junior. These little, whatever it is, on the computer. So, check. See, look, it's doing the blurry thing. Anyways, once again, last time, I think, check crop. Anyways, from there, text. I don't know what you guys want to do, but instead of doing Kiara Nation, like I always do, I'm gonna just do Kiara's and then check. I'm about to check what font. I'm gonna do this stroke, make it a little thinner. Y'all can really do whatever font y'all want, but this is what I'm doing because this is what I want. Anyways, do that. Check. See, it's blurring up right now, but sometimes it does that. Sometimes it just be acting up. Like, I don't know why. Anyways. Hold up a second. There we go. Check. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this short. Anyways, so I'm gonna leave the stroke at 19 and push the individual. Why is it blurring? Anyways, so that's pretty much it. And then you're gonna press this button right here, and you're gonna save. Well, actually, you press share if you want to upload it on your account. But I'm just gonna put save, and you save to your gallery right there. Just save to your gallery. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. And that is it for today's video. I keep saying something. Also, I use it for my other YouTube channel. Also follow that. I think I'll put the link in the description. Anyways, I'm sorry I'm doing a lot of talking. Don't forget to always love yourself. Deuces.
So you don't gotta worry.